friends. Happy Tuesday. It is a cold, rainy, dreary day. It is 51, but with the rain and everything, it's not even in the 50s. It feels like 40. So this is what our next few days are going to be like. And let's see, Thursday and Friday morning is going to get down to 39. So I'm not going to be planting anymore in my garden. I'm going to try to get covers over my cabbage and celery that I've already planted. And then the flowers that need to be planted, they're going to go in the breezeway between the garage and the house for those 2 days until that passes. So, and it's just been non-stop raining. So with all this rain, of course, it brings out a sinus headache from who knows what. But seems to be my new normal with my allergies. So not bad. Just one of those that it's there enough to say, hello, I'm here. So, but, so what have I done today? Not too much, just sat. I wanted to show you on my one English paper piecing that last night I got this much done on it. I just need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 more, I think, of the green, and then I can go. Let me look in my basket here. How many of these do I have? Yep, 4 more, and then I can start doing the purple and the yellow. Then I can start working on that. If you can hear a phone ringing, it's Mr. Jerry's, and usually that it means it is a scam call, and he's out in the breezeway, and I'm chit-chatting with you, and it did stop. So so I did work on that last night. I haven't, let me set it off to the side. I haven't touched it yet today because I've been knitting on my shawl here. This is my lifeline going through here. I have, let's see, I have 8, 16, 20 more rows to do. 20 more rows to do. I am so over this knit rib. And then I can go on to the lace. So I've been working on this because I want to get it done, but I'm to the point I'm tired of knitting on it. So I think I'll do some English paper piecing next. And I did get, whoops, my other English paper piecing. I did get the last one started. So I just have 3 more of those to sew on. And then I will have all of my 6 that I need for Clue 2 done. And then what I have to do, I have to add, it will look like a block here, here, and here. Well, actually it'll be down. It depends on where it lays in there because I don't want the words to be upside down. Some will, of course, probably be sideways, but that is what it is. So, yeah, it will be here, here, and here. So that would be the next thing. So I put that one aside because I want to work on the other one. So like I said, I just have, unless I just get these 3 done right here. I just have that yet to sew. But other than that, I don't have too much more going on. yeah, just been sitting here listening to it rain and trying not to let the headache form. So this will be short and sweet today. The way the weather's looking, I probably will not get my garden all put in until this weekend, which I didn't realize was Memorial Weekend. Oh my goodness, I thought the following weekend was. I was hoping to be able to get my lettuce and radishes and all that in way before now, but the weather just has not cooperated. So this weekend I will, Jerry said that he would help me. I will get the peas in, well actually this week sometime, once the rain stops and that 39-degree is gone, which would be Friday. Well, I guess it will be this weekend. I will plant the peas and all the other stuff. The tomatoes and peppers I have in, they still need to be finished hardening off. So hopefully by Sunday or Memorial Day I'll get those in. But then once the garden's in, then you know the garden's in, and we just pray that we are blessed with fruits and vegetables this year. But anyways, and Miss Janet, your bag and everything that you crocheted up sounds wonderful. And isn't that weird about how some animals get along? Yeah, our animals get along pretty much. You know, we see every once in a while there is a squirrel that seems to be the boss, he thinks, or she thinks, whoever, and chases everybody away. But for the majority of it, they sit out there with everybody, so no idea why. But wind's picking up, I see, and rain's coming down harder. So I have not sewed on my other sew along. Haven't felt like it. Hopefully tomorrow. And seems like there was something else I was going to say, but I can't remember right now. I think for supper tonight, Mr. Jerry wants homemade mac and cheese and corn dogs. That's one of his favorite meals. So we will have that. It will be a high calorie meal for me, but I've done pretty well today. For breakfast, I've had my smoothie, and then for lunch, I had a half a cup of cottage cheese and 9 chips to dip in it, and that was it, because I wasn't too hungry. I did have for a snack a slice of the homemade bread and toasted it with a little bit of butter and grape jelly on it, about a half a tablespoon of each. So I've already counted that. So, and I am on my second one of these, which is my Crystal Light Pink Lemonade. Our daughter got me this for Mother's Day, so I am drinking that. But other than that, there's not too much else going on. But I wanted to hop on and say happy Tuesday. I hope your Tuesday is good. I hope whatever you are doing is going great. And I hope if you are traveling or going someplace for the Memorial Weekend, or that you have an enjoyable time. And if you have friends or family coming over, that you enjoy it. I'm always reminded that it's not about the food. Sometimes it is, but majority of the time it should be about friends and family, and not the food. We can enjoy the food, but enjoy the family time too. So it will just be Mr. Jerry and I Memorial Weekend, So I don't think we'll see the kids again until, I think they're supposed to come down June 7th to help finish the kitchen tile. So that will probably be when we get to see the kids again and our grandkids. So, but anyways, I guess it's not too short. It's 10 minutes in. So stay strong, my friends. We got this. And hopefully this headache will be gone tomorrow. And I'll feel like doing a little bit more and chit-chatting with you a little bit more. So, but until then, see you Wednesday.